Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about DOM create method. We have three type of create method. First is we can create HTML element with the help of DOM create method. We can create text with the help of create text node, and we can also create comment in JavaScript. You know this that we have comment in the form of like angular bracket, then exclamation mark, then double hyphen, and after that we have text here, any comment. Okay, now after that we have again hyphen, and after that angular bracket. We can create a comment with the help of create comment DOM method, and we can create text node with the help of create text node, and we can create p tag, h2 tag, h1 tag, and so on, any tag with the help of create element. Now we will see how practically we implement create method of DOM. Okay, now we will see how we can practically implement create DOM create method. Okay, first of all we have two files, index.html and script.js. I connect my JavaScript with the help of script tag. Okay, now we will see how we can create element with the help of DOM create method. Okay, now we will see how we can create element with the help of DOM create method. For that we use a variable var create element, and after that we use equal, and then we use, because we are using DOM, that's why we use document dot create element, and after that we provide the name of the element that we want to create in quotes. For example, I use p tag. Okay, now after that I used to close it with the help of semicolon. Now let's use console.log, and after that we use here create element. This is our variable. Now after that we provide semicolon. Let's save. You can see this is our document. Now let's console this with the help of double click and go to the inspect, and after that our inspect is open. Now we will see what is printed. You can see this is p tag. If we change here p to h2 tag, for example h2 tag, let's save. You can see we created h2 tag. Similarly we can provide any tag. For example, if you want to span, use span, and let's save. You can see it print span, and when you scroll it will provide you the characteristics of span. Okay, now I'm using h1 tag. Okay, now after that we see how we can create text. For that we use var create, here I use text node. Okay, now after that we use equal, and here we provide document dot create text node, and after that we provide the text in quotes. For example, I choose hello friend, welcome to BroLearner. Okay, now after that we close with the help of semicolon. After that we use console.log. okay, after that we use create text node. This is our variable that store the value of hello friends, welcome to BroLearner. Now let's save. You can see we got the text here. Okay, now if you want to provide more text, you can provide thousands of text with the help of document.createElement node. Okay, now after that we create var create comment, and after that we use equal, and then we use document dot create comment. Now after that we provide the round braces, and in round braces we provide the code, and here we don't need to provide the angular bracket and exclamation mark and then double hyphen. We don't require that. We just use simply the text. This is a simple comment. Now let's say after that we have to just provide semicolon, and here we use console.log, and here we provide create comment, and here we provide the semicolon again. Now let's say, you can see we got this is a simple comment. This is how we can use create. So this is how we can use create this is how we can use DOM create method. In next video we will see how we can use this in our document, and how we can print with the help of, and in this is how we can use DOM create method. In next video we will see how we can include this in our document. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.